Creating believable fabric materials is an important part of building realistic characters, clothing, furniture, and environmental props in Unreal Engine 5. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to build a basic cloth material, add a woven fabric normal map, tile the texture for extra details, remove the plastic appearance, use a cloth shading model, and add realistic fabric fuzz lighting. You'll need a normal map for the cloth you want to make. In the content browser, right-click and make a new folder for your material. In the folder, drag and drop your normal map for the cloth and a mesh if you have one. Right-click and choose Material, naming it appropriately. Double-click on the material to open it. Hold down the 3 key and left-click to add a constant 3 vector. Connect the constant 3 vector to the base color. In the Details panel, choose the color you want to make the cloth. Right-click on the constant 3 vector and convert it to a parameter, renaming it to Cloth Color. In general, real cloth is not highly reflective. Hold down the 1 key to add a constant vector. Change the value to around 0.3. Connect the constant vector to the roughness input. This reduces excessive shine while still allowing some light response. Right-click on the constant vector and convert it to a parameter, renaming it Roughness. To create the illusion of woven fabrics, you'll use a normal map. Drag and drop your downloaded normal map into the material editor. Connect the normal map to the normal input. To add more density, right-click and search for texture coordinate. Hold down the M key to add a multiply node and increase the value. Connect the texture coordinate to the A input of the multiply node. Connect the multiply node to the U's input of the normal map. This tiles the normal map multiple times across the surface, creating a finer cloth pattern. Right-click on the texture sample and convert it to a parameter, renaming it Cloth Normal. Apply and save the material. Drag the material onto your mesh to preview it. The cloth will look shiny and like plastic. This is due to the lighting being set to the default shading model. Back on the material graph in the Details panel, look for the shading model. Change the shading model from default lit to cloth. The cloth will lose its plastic look and looks more like realistic cloth. 2 new inputs now appear, cloth and fuzz color. Hold down the 1 key and left-click to add a constant vector. Set the value to 1. Connect the constant vector to the cloth input. A value of 0 means not cloth, and a value of 1 means full cloth shading. Right-click on the constant vector and convert it to a parameter, renaming it Cloth Control. Real cloth will contain tiny fibers or fuzz that catches and scatters light. Hold down the 1 key and add a constant vector. Change the value to around 0.1. Connect the constant vector to the fuzz color input. Right-click on the constant vector and convert it to a parameter, renaming it Fuzz Color. Right-click on the material and make a material instance, naming it appropriately. Double-click on the material instance to open it. All of those parameters that we made are now available for you to tweak your shader without needing to change the master material. Using the cloth shading model in Unreal Engine 5 is one of the easiest ways to dramatically improve the realism of fabric materials. By combining tiled normal maps, controlled roughness, cloth masking, and subtle fuzz lighting, you can create convincing textiles that react naturally to light instead of appearing glossy or plastic-like. Thanks for following along with this tutorial. If you found this helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe. Have a good day.